Here's a 2012 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It's well equipped with the features you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, leather steering wheel, agility control automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com calls Mercedes C-Class Coupe a solid contender with strong and smooth engines, terrific handling, and superb fit and finish. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.